Hello. So today first we'll be installing Android Studio and I'll be providing the links in the description of the video. No need to worry. So the link which I'll give you is this link. No need to worry. Click download Android Studio Panda 1. Read the terms if you want. Okay. Then click download. This download will take around depending on your internet, it'll take some time. So yeah, I'll just fast forward this part. So after the download is done, right over here, which is done, click click this thing, click the exe file and let it load. Then you will get a pop-up like this, right? Accept the pop-up. Over here, click next. Check mark this. It should be enabled. Next. You can select wherever you want. I'll select in a different folder. I have more space over here, so I'll select here. I'll select this folder and yeah, click install, let it download. After the download is done, click next over here and finish. This option is up to you guys. I'm not gonna send it, so I will not send. So you'll be greeted with welcome page. Click next and next. Don't change anything. Click next and accept. Click next. This will take some time. After this, it will prompt a window. Click yes. And after that, click finish over here. Click finish. Now from here, guys, from here, click new project, right? And make sure it is selected to phone and tablet over here, first option. phone and tablet. Then search all, select empty activity. This one, empty activity. Select it and click next over here. So here in this section, you need to change the name. You need to change the name. So the name will be, it's in the manual. One second. Here we have done this part. Click this, done. Here you need to change the name to greeting card. Greeting card, okay? Greeting card. Make sure it is as it is. Greeting card. Go back to the page and ensure. Well, it's capital letters. So make the changes. Capital letter, okay? Greeting card. Huge capital. Okay. After that, make sure you check everything like package name, it should be same. Minimum SDK should be API 24, Android 7. And yeah, don't do anything. Just after just naming, click finish. After you get this page, right? Don't do anything. You see this importing is happening over here. It's there's a process happening. Wait for it to finish. See, as of now, there is no split window option over here. After this process is completed only, you will get that option to split. Over here you will get after this is done. So wait. See, now the synchronization is done. It's not there anymore. And as you can see, this options came after this thing happened, synchronization. If you can't see this option, just can you see this sync project with Gradle file? Please go on that. It will sync again, and then you can see these options. So let's move to next step. After that, syncing will happen. Click split window over here. This option. This option. Click it and refresh it. Build and refresh. Click on this. It is not coming. Just close the Android Studio and launch it again. Okay. Exit and launch it again. Now click split again. So now it is building. If it gets stuck, just close the app and reopen it and click split. Then hit the build and run. Then after this happens, you should see it something like this. You should see hello Android like this. Okay. Like this you should see on right hand side over here. Just wait for it to build. It will take some time. Yeah. Now we got hello Android. If you don't get this, if you don't get this once again, so you will get this. If you don't get this, don't worry. Just close the app once more and reopen it, and you should be seeing this hello Android. Okay. So next step is I'll be providing the link of this next step. You need to open app. Let's go there. See, there's an app. Inside this, you need to open Kotlin plus Java. You should be seeing like three things, three different folders. Okay. Then go to next. Okay. Copy this code. I'll be giving this link in description. Copy the code and select this main activity class, right? Entire class, paste it. Okay, replace. Don't worry about the errors. It's nothing. I'll tell you how to fix. Okay. How do you fix these errors? Just place your cursor below them. Place your cursor below them. You'll see an pop-up like import. Click import. Click first option, and this is result. Now for this other thing, do the same. Place your cursor there. Click import, and it's done. Right. Now we check preview. Let's check preview. Yeah, it's working fine. So let's go to next step. Next, you will be copying this composable. Go to Android Studio. You see this composable over here. This replace this block over here. Copy this one, this composable. Okay. Paste it in composable again. Here it will say, hi, my name is name. Okay. It will be something like this. And it is rendering. Yeah, you can see. Hi, my name is, one second, Android. It will come like that. Hi, my name is Android. Now we don't want this. We want our own name. So we will just replace this Android. Just delete Android and you can type your name. I'll type my name. And yeah, let it render. After it renders, it will be like this. Yeah, now simple. Wait for it to render and you will see the result in something. Yeah, see, it got updated. So that's the today's session, I think. Up to this did, so I'll be stopping till here. Thank you for watching the video.